stunning.
Feels like in my arms, that's where you belong, babe. Not so far away. When you're near me, I can hold you. At a later time, it'll be you for life. But until it goes, I'm waiting. Oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. I'm waiting, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. I'm waiting, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Took 2 shots in a day, I got 2 more shots on the way, and I'm good to go. Drink too much, yeah I know, I've been drinking too much on the road, but I keep it low. Got a lot of problems, babe, I've been dealing with the devil's face, what I'm going's wrong. Hit me upside for the day, baby, hit me up, smile for your pay, cause I need it now. Hey, if you're down for the day, wanna side to my place, cause I need a lover. If you don't wanna know, we can keep it on the low, keep it on the cover. Is it privacy, cause the paparazzi on to me, yeah. Then you can run with me to a place that they won't follow me, yeah. You belong, babe, not so far away. When you're near me, I can hold you. At a later time, it'll be you for life. But until it goes, I'm waiting. Oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. I'm waiting, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. I'm waiting, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Tell me when, yeah. Tell me when you're ready, we can hit the gas. Hands steady, all heavy, stay heavy side. You'll love it already, no it never lasts. That's breaking glass, and take it back, yeah. Up off another, give me two of that. My heart is playing cold, I don't get too attached. You'll love it already, no it never lasts. That's breaking glass, and take it back, yeah. Up off another, it's a drill start. We never need, cause you're nothing new with that. All summer not sober, got me seeing black. I love her, I know it ain't no going back. I been going through it for my next shit, stressing. Nice got me turning, ain't no resting. Yes, it's crazy crossing borders, we finessing. Guess it's really not what anyone expected. Lost in your eyes, feeling reckless. I try, guess I got a death.
Like I said, there's like a lot of people. It's really posh in here as well, actually. But it's really chill. That makes any sense.
You'll love it already, no it never lasts. That's breaking glass, can't take it back, yeah. Up off another, give me two of that. My heart is being cold, I don't get too attached.
So that corner seg was at Cranford last week. I got some beautiful shots of it, which I will put in the video. Yeah, stunning. Oh my god, absolutely stunning.
We sab it, don't show it, got me throwing cash. And I understand the success is flexing. Guess it's getting lonely in this section. Blessings, somehow I get turned to depression. Stressing, really not what anyone expected. Lost in your eyes, feeling reckless. I try, guess I got a death wish. Got dripped from a tongue to a necklace. Car feels trying to heal through the wreckage, yeah. Tell me when you're ready, we can hit the gas. Hands steady, all heavy, stay heavy side. You'll love it already, no it never lasts. That's breaking glass, can't take it back, yeah. Up off another, give me two of that. My heart is being cold, I don't get too attached. You'll love it already, no it never lasts. That's breaking glass, can't take it back. best way.
The cars are all here courtesy of Brad Car and SCC, so thank you to Brad and all of the owners that are here with their cars. I need to say a few thank yous. Thank you to His Grace the Duke of Marlborough, as always, for being our patron, our friend. He supports us every year and encourages us to help us develop the event and just take it up a new level every single year. Our sponsors, Aviva Private Clients, Boodles have been with us for many, many years now. Edmund de Rothschild, Hottinger, Lockton Private Client, Pomeroy, and we're delighted to welcome Qatar Executive to Salon Privè this year.
Baby, you fuck me up in the best way. You're my favorite drug, I cannot live without. Now we're going honey down the young way. Promise me we're never gonna slow me down. Run away tonight, are you in now? Wanna feel alive when you show me. Baby, you fuck me up
Ferrari,
in the best
the
way.
first hybrid Ferrari they made, and want to continue the line of special Ferraris from the 288, the F40, the F40. Perfect, thank you very much. 3.79 million and it's safe money. No heckling. Now from the Defender. This is the Defender Octa, top of the range. Doesn't utilise the 5 litre V8 in Land Rovers. This has the 4.4.
Now we're going honey, young way.
In a minute.
Baby, you fuck me up in the best way.
So from Tunnel
You're my favorite drug, I can't live without.
and a beautiful
She's playing hard to get. I think it's working, I cannot get her out my head. I think she wants me dead, cause she is my nicotine and I am a fiend. She keeps me wanting more, then she shuts the door, keeping me away. I'm begging on the floor, likes to see my face when I'm all bruised up and sore. Then she lets me in, then the cycle starts again. Nah, nah, you're not a rider, no rider. Don't play with fire, I'm fire. Don't take me down, bring me higher, higher. Nah, nah, you're not a rider, no rider. Don't play with fire, I'm fire. Don't take me down, bring me higher, higher. You my nicotine, my romantic scene. You are like a dream, yeah, best I ever seen, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Mommy, I'm mine. I know you forgetting somebody on the low, but I don't give a fuck. I'ma pour it up, all my fucking love in my dog cup. Yeah, pour it up, baby, pour it up, pour it up. Nah, nah, you not a rider, no rider. Don't play with fire, I'm fire. Don't take me down, bring me high.